Hello transformation, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. In today's video we're going to do Chloe Bailey makeup look, inspired makeup look, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how I achieved it. So first I'm going to use my primer by Ruby Kisses. I love it. It's very soft. It's like a lotion form, so I usually just apply it on my face to have that nice moisture. So once I do apply my foundation and concealer, it don't look very flaky. It looks very smooth like my actual skin. So I show you guys step by step of how to apply that. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows with the Top Brow Auto Twist pencil, and I'm going to use my Nicka K concealer Carto number 6, and I'm going to blend it in with a brush. Well, not a brush, a sponge, and I'm going to blend it all the way from the inner corner all the way out so you guys can have a nice arch for your brows. I'm going to use my gold eyeshadow palette by Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to use like a soft reddish brown color, and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to blend it out in a smaller circle. So as you guys see, I'm just applying it and just moving in a circular motion. So I'm just applying that, and then I'm going to use the color Excitement. So it's like a silver beige color. I'm applying that in the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to use my eyeliner pen by Ruby Kisses. It's very smooth, and guys, look how smooth it looks. So I'm just applying. So it's looking like the picture of Miss Chloe down below. So I'm just going to make sure that it's even, and I'm just moving back and forth. But I love this eyeliner. It's very smooth and it applies very quickly. So as you guys can see, so I'm making sure that it's covered in like down in by my lashes. So when I do apply my lashes, that it looks very natural. So I'm just making sure that it's filled in really good. And now I'm going to apply my lashes by Ruby Kisses. The name of the lashes are called the Classic Key Breed number 2. I have been getting so many compliments on these lashes. Everyone love them. And I'm using my favorite lash glue, Adhesive, and I just love it. And I just apply a small amount around the rim. And now I'm applying my lashes, and I'm making sure that I'm pressing down very hard to make sure my lashes don't lift and they look very natural. So I'm just pressing down on the lashes so you guys see. And don't worry, the lash glue will dry. Now I'm going to use my all day everyday concealers. I'm using the color Cappuccino and Golden. So first I'm going to apply Cappuccino under my eye. But wait, I forgot something. Oh, this is the new pencil by Ruby Kisses. It's a duo. So this one have a dark brown and a bronze. So I use the dark brown. I know Chloe used black, but dark brown looks better for me. Black kind of make me look kind of harsh for some reason. But I use the dark brown pencil, and I'm applying my concealer Cappuccino. And I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses setting spray. It's an oil control base. So hey, it won't look very greasy or like I'm sweating or I have like baby doll skin. I want it to look natural as possible. So now I'm just blending in that concealer, but I did messed up because I shouldn't use the lighter color, which was the golden. So I went back and I used the Cappuccino, which is closer to my skin color, and to make it blend in with my skin. But I believe I wiped it off because I had to start back over and just use the golden color. So I'm going to use that same pencil, but I'm using that dark brown to outline my lips. like Miss Chloe have hers. So I'm outlining my lips. And I'm going to fill them in. And I'm going to use my new lip gloss, the Jelly by Ruby Kisses. This is in the color Cherry. And it smells so good, guys. And it's very soft. And look how it makes my lips. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. And this is it, guys. This is how I achieve Miss Chloe Bailey makeup look. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow me once again. And you guys can see me do more celebrity makeup looks. So I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time. Bye, guys.